As you can see guys, this is Huion drawing pad. So we just purchased this Huion online. So Huion just sent it for us so as we can test it. So there are things from here and there. Actually, first of all, sorry guys if you can hear any noise background because I'm shooting the video nearby the road. And yeah, so let us just get started from unboxing it. I'm just like pumped. I'm so pumped. Just came, I don't know what to say, but let us just unbox it. We have just to find a knife. Or you can decide to fix it by our own self. So we feel everything here. I just had to do the hood balls out of it, as you can see. I just love the artwork of it. I've seen it from a lot of YouTubers who are doing it. Wow. This is the stuff. Let me just give this away. So this is the Huion drawing pad. So nice, so legit. I really appreciate it. And yeah, as you can see guys, this kind of drawing, I hope you guys see it. This drawing is so epic. It captures me that I can draw it still with perhaps Illustrator. So yeah, let's just open it inside. Okay, what's inside? First of all, it's 430p, as you can see. It's Huion 430p. Then it's battery-free pen. As you can see, it's battery-free pen. The battery is free pen. So another kind of stuff is just like, okay. I'm doing it like slow motion. Okay. I had to keep it off like that. Okay. Thank you for choosing Huion. We got a Huion later. I don't know what to say, Huion. Thank you so much. And can't wait to do a lot of stuff with you guys. Yeah. Another kind of stuff. Huion CD. This is actually not a CD. This is actually a link whereby you can download all the drivers for the tablets. So remember, if you want to purchase this kind of stuff, make sure that all the drivers, they work with the devices, you connect it with your Windows 10, and yeah, that's what's up. So keep it aside. Yeah. Another kind of stuff, it's Huion warranty card. You get a warranty card. Whenever your device doesn't seem to work well, you can just send it to them. So yeah, keep it aside. Another kind of stuff, the drawing pad. Now this is the beast I was talking about. Yeah, it's a small minor beast, but it does a lot of things. Just check it out. Just check it out. I love the grips, the dot. It shows you whereby you can just point your pen and start drawing. Another kind of stuff is USB 2.0, which I like it. It's mostly nice. Another kind of stuff is the button. As you can see, this button is clickable. You can do a lot of functions with the button. You can set any kind of functionality, like you can set colors, you can set a pen tool if you would like. If you're using Photoshop with Illustrator, you can set a lot of things using this button. So yeah, it's a free open world with the tablet. Keep it aside. We get, okay, I like this. I don't know what it is. I don't know, it's okay. Let us test it, man. Okay, I like this. This is dope. So you wear it and you get those kind of smooth. So as whenever you're drawing, as you can see guys, whenever you're drawing, this helps you to not touch this trackpad. It's like you be open, because if your hand is widely open, that means you distract your artwork on your own kind of workspace you're dealing with. So yeah, this is very useful, and it got the logo of Huion. So keep it Huion. Huion, I like this. This is too epic. Okay, this is the pen. Looks a little bit. A lot of YouTubers say that this is lighter. To me, it doesn't feel like it's lighter, or because I've never used the Wacom tablet before, but it seems like it's heavy and it grips very well, and it has some button. As you can see guys, these are the buttons. Like, it's a clickable button, so I find it's very nice. So this is the pen. Another kind of stuff, we get the USB. Wow, this USB looks good and clean and nice. It feels the brand of Huion. I just hear it out loud because what I was expecting from them, it's something not that much legitimate. We were thinking, me and Buddha there, it might be not what it's supposed to be. So shout out to you, Huion, for giving us something interesting. We're really looking forward to your own kind of new products. So yeah, so this is a USB. Don't change this kind of USB. Keep it up just the same. So yeah, USB 2.0, I won't complain about that. This is just a I'm not saying this is a Wacom tablet. This is a Huion tablet. I won't complain about that. Keep it up, just like that. Another kind of stuff, you get the bullets. As you can see, guys, these are bullets from the pen. So if you lose anything from the pen, where's the pen? Where did I keep it? This pen has grips. If you lose these grips or it doesn't function, you can just remove the grip with this like a ring. Let me open for you guys so as you can see. And it's like a ring type. I don't want to lose any of them. Okay, keep them here. You see this ring? You just pull it here, then you just pull it there, then you just peel it. After peeling it off, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to test it, how to peel it off. I just want to keep it steady. So yeah. So you remove it. Then after that, you're good to go. Then you can start drawing and stuff. Another kind of stuff out of the box is the book. This book has a lot of inspiration stuff. I mean paperwork. I sometimes don't like that much paperwork. I don't like paperwork so much, but this is a guide. It's just like, guys, you have to try it out. Just read it for your own benefit to get started. This is not like a phone whereby you can just get started, next, put that fingerprint, after that set password, get started. This is just something which is so legitimate. This is a guidance for you guys so as you can get started. So yeah, this is what Huion just sent it for us, and we really appreciate that. I like the drawing. Keep it up. Perhaps on the next Huion 450p, I don't know what's the next one, you guys know it. So just keep on improving the artwork. I really like it. So yeah, that's what's up. So if you like this video today, make sure that you throw that thumbs up, big thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, you're new here, my name is Huion. Keep it steady, keep it sharp. That's what's up. We're keeping it rolling. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. You love this video, you know what to do, and we continue guys on the next video. So yeah, peace.